Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is 4th of July. Yay! It is for me. I don't know. Let me know if you're in a city with good fireworks. Let's take a look at today's problem. 2181 merge nodes in between zeros. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Yeah, what am I clicking on? Okay, today I have not much to say, so yeah, happy 4th of July. Let's get to it. I'm actually, I don't know. I don't feel as tired, even though I did run 8 miles and I did go to the gym to bench. But I think I just ate a lot. I think maybe that's why. But I also need some sleep though. Alright, you're given. That's the vlog portion of it. Very boring, but okay. Given the head of a linked list, which contains a series of integers served by zeros. Okay. Beginning of the end of linked list with a node value to 0. Okay. For every 2 consecutive zeros, merge all nodes lying between two. Okay. I'm being silly. Okay, that makes sense. Because I saw example 1 and I thought this was the answer for it, but this is example 2. So I was like, how do you get 3 plus 1 is equal to, okay. I mean, I think this is, I think the first thing that I would think about with this problem, have I done it? Huh. That's weird. Don't remember it at all. But the first thing that I would think about it, just think about it in terms of a stack, right? You know that the invariant is that there are gonna be zeros. So that means that for every non-zero number, you know that there's gonna be a zero coming. So then you just keep on merging, right, until you get zeros. So I think that's probably the beginning of how I think about it. And then the other thing that I always try to do is just instead of modifying this pointer, modifying this dot next or something. Though maybe this particular problem doesn't make sense, so we'll see. Okay, so yeah, so then I always have a new head is equal to just a new list node with head and maybe negative 1 head, right? And then now we can do something like current is equal to new head. Well current dot next is not none. I have trouble typing. Okay, so then now. Now when we begin, current.next is going to be equal to 0. So maybe if current.next is equal to 0, dot value is equal to 0. I don't know what I want to do, but let's just continue for now. Let's just skip it, right? Current is equal to current.next because nothing should happen. Otherwise, then now we have current.next.val is not equal to 0, right? And maybe this is a case where updating current.next doesn't make sense, but I don't know. So then now we can just do, then now we want to keep on going and add numbers, right? So then maybe we could do while current.next.next is not none. Okay, then if current, maybe we'll just do it. And current.next.next dot value is not equal to 0. Then now we want to merge this into current.next. So then current.next.val, we want to add that to current.next.next.value, right? And then we also want to do current.next.next is equal to, so then now we skip this, right? .next.next.next, right? And then now that should be good because then now this automatically updates it. So then now, and the comments I have here are just loop invariants that I want to y'all to kind of think about. And then now current.next.next.value is equal to 0, and we always have a 0, so that's always going to be true. So then now, yeah, and then so then now that's it because then I mean I guess you could also skip it, but oh wait, then now current is equal to current.next. And then it'll just do its stuff. I think this should be good, but we'll see. Because these things is very easy to mess up. Oh no. Oh, okay. I mean, I think, to be honest, I was very close. I just didn't realize what they, I mean, there are only 2 lines of things, but that's okay. I mean, this is why you have examples. It's just that you see. The thing is that I left in the zeros because I thought you're supposed to left in the zeros, but clearly it tells you that it does not, contain the zeros. But I mean, that's easy to fix probably, right? I mean, if nothing else, if current.next.y, then we can just skip it. Current.next is equal to current.next.next. Then now we kill this current.next. So I think this should be good. Yeah. Okay, let's give it a submit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Should be pretty straightforward in concept. Curious how I did 2 years ago. Nope. The Larry 2 years ago was lazy. I mean, well, I was gonna say the Larry 2 years ago kind of cheated and put it in a way, but it might have been a contest. And on during contests, I definitely write it this way. Maybe not. Apparently, maybe I was just lazy. I don't know. Is there a way to check? Yeah, maybe I was just lazy. I don't know. But in any case, this is all I have. This is going to be linear time, constant space. We don't really... I mean, linear time is because we go through the loop once. The constant space, we don't create any new space. So, yeah. I mean, we have a new pointer here and there, but everything's in place. And I know that usually even in place, I kind of count that. But in this particular problem, the intention is to manipulate the input. So that should be the expectation. So that should be good. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Have a great weekend, everybody. A long weekend or just, Independence Day. If not, then just a happy Wednesday or Thursday, depending on where you are. I mean, it's Thursday here now, so it's probably Thursday everywhere, but I don't know when you're watching it. Maybe you're I don't know. That's all I have, though. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.